Using Monday.com Subitems can greatly enhance your workflow and project management capabilities. To get the most out of this feature, it is essential to understand the best practices for implementing and utilizing subitems. First, understand what subitems are. Subitems are smaller tasks or components that are part of a larger item. They allow you to break down complex tasks into manageable pieces, making it easier to track progress and assign responsibilities. To create subitems, go to your board, click on the item you want to add a subitem to, and then click on the Add Subitem button. You can then add details such as due dates, assignees, and descriptions to each subitem. One key concept to keep in mind is to keep your subitems concise and focused on a single task. This will help prevent confusion and ensure that each subitem is completed efficiently. For example, if you have a main item for planning an event, your subitems might include booking a venue, arranging catering, and sending out invitations. Another best practice is to use subitems to track progress and dependencies. By creating subitems that are dependent on the completion of other subitems, you can create a clear workflow and ensure that tasks are completed in the correct order. It is also important to use subitems to assign responsibilities and set deadlines. By assigning subitems to team members and setting due dates, you can ensure that tasks are completed on time and that everyone knows their role in the project. To take full advantage of subitems, make sure to use them in conjunction with other Monday.com features such as automation and integration. For example, you can set up automated workflows that trigger when a subitem is completed, or integrate your board with other tools to get a more comprehensive view of your project. By following these best practices and using subitems effectively, you can streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. Remember to keep your subitems concise. Use them to track progress and dependencies, and assign responsibilities and deadlines to get the most out of this powerful feature.